So if your computer is running slow and you are not 100% sure what's causing it, a good way is to open your task manager. So the ways to do is you press Ctrl Alt Delete and choose task manager on this window. It will open up the task manager window. It might be on this view so you can only see what's running, but if you can open it with more details, it will show up all your applications that are actually running, and you can choose one of them. For example, if we want to choose a paint and just end the task, that will close the software. And you can also have an overview what's using the resources on your computer. If this doesn't help, you can always try to restart the computer, but please make sure just to save your work first.